Welcome to our ultimate 7-day itinerary for exploring the iconic city of London. From historic landmarks to modern marvels, we've got everything covered, along with costs to help you plan your budget. Let's dive in. Day 1. British Museum begins with a visit to the British Museum, one of the world's greatest museums of human history and culture. The best part? It's free to enter. For transport, get yourself a travel card for just £7, which will cover your trips for the entire day. After exploring, head to the Great Court restaurant for a delicious meal, averaging around £20 per person. So, the total cost for day 1 is just £27. Day 2. Tower of London. On day 2, we visit the historic Tower of London, home to the crown jewels. Entry costs £29.90. With your £7 travel card, you can easily get here and explore. Nearby, the Perkin Reveller offers a great dining experience for about £25. The total cost for day 2 comes to £61.90. Day 3. Buckingham Palace. Day 3 is royal. Visit Buckingham Palace, the Queen's official residence. Entry costs £30. With your £7 travel card, transportation is sorted. Enjoy a luxurious meal at the Goring Dining Room for around £50. Total cost for day 3 is £87. Day 4. London Eye. Day 4 takes us to the London Eye, offering breathtaking views of the city. A ride costs £28, and with a £7 travel card, your transport is covered. Afterwards, dine at Skylon with beautiful river views, costing about £35 per person. The total for day 4 is £70. Day 5. Natural History Museum. Day 5 is perfect for museum lovers. Visit the Natural History Museum, which is free to enter. Again, your £7 travel card will cover your travel. For a quick bite, head to the Science Museum Cafe, where a meal costs around £15. The total cost for day 5 is just £22. Day 6. Tate Modern. Day 6 features modern art at Tate Modern, another fantastic free attraction. Use your £7 travel card for transport. Have a meal at the Tate Modern Cafe for around £20. The total cost for day 6 is £27. Day 7. The Shard. Our final day, day 7, takes us to the Shard, London's tallest building. Entry is £32. The £7 travel card will cover your travel. Dine at Aqua Shard with stunning views, costing around £45. The total cost for day 7 is £84. That wraps up our 7-day itinerary for London. With a mix of history, culture, and modern attractions, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more travel tips and itineraries. Happy travels!